Welcome back to the channel, where in video 1 you see us wrap the full building all the way around. In this video we've got to back it all up, so we are about to put 1 or 2 courses of block work, which is going to take us there for this tray damp to go all the way around. These bricks, which were nicely put out, which is I think is just flipped and lost positioning.
No, look.
Are meant to be steels and columns.
I put the gold marks on the wall. Mark there. There's a mark there.
Okay.
Oh, that mark.
So all of these blocks need bumping out. These are 10 Newton. And then in the doorway over here, which are these blocks, these are 17 Newton blocks. All to do with steel sizes and concrete slabs that are sitting on them. Let me tell you what's exciting about this video, because if you stay to the very end, I'm going to tell you how you can win a prize worth some good money that's going to change your business. So if you want to win a prize, stick around to the end and let's win it. Let's win it. So I have a steel here and also a steel here. So I don't know whether to tooth it on the ends like so, which I'm not really a fan of toothing. It's not a bit of me. However, I might just tooth it there, and then I've got that lump to build. And I've done that corner, big bulk of that. Try and get some value for the money while master trails away. I'm on a day rate, by the way, not a price. But keep the customer happy, that's what I'm trying to say. Oh no, as you can see, overnight it is absolutely lashed down. And I'm basically working in a bath today. I've just got to pull 2 blocks round from there all the way around to here, and then it is fully, well, almost fully set out other than the actual middle bit. Then I'm going to just start throwing corners up everywhere. And corner number 1 completed. I did put it on a time lapse, however, it didn't work. So here's corner number 1. I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more corners to go. Come on. So we've got a tray damp that goes from here to here. 1, 2, 3. We've returned that just so your concrete can run up to that. But annoyingly, obviously you can't get a tyre there, or you can't get a tyre there, should I say, because you've got your DPC. So you've got to cut these in half at 225, squish them down, ready for your next one to work back with your tyres. So that's a little bit fiddly, but DPC all the way down. On second thoughts, I think it's absolutely pointless me trying to set out here. Look at that, oh my god. So, let's put it down. I'm setting out this internal here, which is this corner here. Luckily for me, this inside wall runs from that corner to this corner, which is this line all the way up, helping me get the building square from there. So, happy days. So I'm just going to pull this course in here for now, and then I can work out that there. We've got a 275 batt, which is a 75mm cavity there. What do we think of the rushing at? Because I'm feeding it. Anyways, the whole entire outside is now set up. All the way down here. It's got DPC and etc. to go down there. As I said before, we've closed the cavity, so when they do their concrete and screed, they can go straight up to the brickwork. Look at this. So we've got from there to there is 330, and then from there to there is 275. I originally built this at 275, and I thought, oh no, I've done that wrong. It's all 330. So I was half right on 2 occasions, but technically wrong. There we go. There we go. Yes, all the internals are done. Come on. Tomorrow or next, we're gonna bang this up.
Bang this one up.
Come on. It just won't stop raining. Oh my god. We're making movements, but we are getting wet boots. This is why you should study at school. So on this corner I'm building, I should be building that one there, but I can't be asked to clean any more puddles. Not that I've cleaned it very well. These are 10s, so I'm going to run my 10s to here, but this wall is 17s. So I've got to bond my 10s and 17s like that. All I need to remember is that these are 17s and these are 10s. Should be doable, and it looks a little something like this. Change of plan. I have given up on the corner. Reason being, the 10s keep sinking. But, and they've been covered over. It's just sinking. Bubble says differently, but the next course was fucked. What do you call a man that gives up on its corner because it's sinking? Smart. Wise. Experience. Mansinky. So basically where this level is a steel column. So I can't do the corner. However, the 10s are the only kind of dry blocks we've got. So we pulled that in yesterday. I'm just going to rack it back here just to throw some blocks in. Just keep ticking away, make the minutes go down and make the building go up.
Wash bit.
So here we go, as planned, the giveaway time. Santa Claus has come early for one of you. Introducing the CIGMAN Laser Level CMS04. I think this is actually worth about 130 quid or something like that. Something like, oh my god, nah. This is better than my one. And look at this one. It's in a plastic case. That's actually a piss take because I'm giving this away as a giveaway. But it's better than my one. I've got the I don't even know what I've got. I think I've got SO2 in a little zip up one, and the zip is busted on it. So if you want to win this laser level, we need to get this video. It has to be on a minimum of 150 likes. And the winner of this prize is going to be the comment with the most likes on 1 week after this video is revealed. So type in a comment, give the video a like. You have to be a subscriber as well. And if your comment has got the most likes in 1 week's time, you're going to win this bad boy, and I will ship it out to you before Christmas. Look at that, come on. Let's make that clear again. 150 likes on the video. You have to be a subscriber, and the most liked comment will win the prize. And I am a little bit jealous. So if you receive an old battered one in the post, it's because I've sent you my one and I've kept a good one. I'm joking, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. However, if you want to win, if you want to just buy this, I will leave a link in the description. I can get you a discount. And you could buy one if you do not win. So there we are, go check them out, CIGMAN. That's actually open it up. Mate, that's so much better than the one I've got. Manual. Oh, look at the screen on it. Is it on? Has it got any charge in it? Hold on. There's no battery. So, we've got the laser. It's got 2 batteries. These little gadgets and attachments that help you get to your size, your right height. You've got a remote control in a hard, solid case, mate. And I am telling you now, that is the bollocks. This is why I am the best YouTube channel for bricklaying on the whole entire platform. Which other YouTuber is giving away bad boy prizes like this? That's why you've got to subscribe to the #1 Bricklaying YouTube channel, the man that keeps it real, the man of the people, the people's champion. And go check out CIGMAN also. Alright, as you all know, I do keep it real on this channel. And I'm going to show you a mistake. Yes, I make them. So obviously, we set out the perimeter of the building first. Then, I worked this wall out from here. There's a steel here, which is why the corner's not finished. Chased it down to this end, all the way to here. Realistically, on this corner, I should have reversed the bond, but I just went bish bash bosh. So you've got this here, which is obviously your 100mm and your full block going that way. I should have put a half there and then worked it that way, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna mum and dad it for one course, 3 blocks. So on this time lapse, while I'm whipping this corner out, when you see a little bit of a mum and dad on that one course there, that is the reason. Keeping it real, don't at me. Here we go, a man of my word. It's not pretty, however, it'll do. I would rather just do that for 2 blocks than cut 3/4 and 1/2 all the way up that. So it's not pretty, but we're keeping it real.